Good morning everyone. Today we will do something very quick. I put a little bit of water into my jar of Stay Traditional and I will perform my shave as I usually do before work, so nothing too flashy. Just to scrape a little bit of daily stubble so I don't turn into homeless person by 4 o'clock. So this will also be a good test for today's razor. Just to demonstrate how great a daily shaver it is. Since I'm using it now for quite a while, so I would say I pretty sit on it and feel very comfortable. So this is all from a leathering process, and for everything else, Zomchi razor. I was nagging a little bit about how mild it is, but the more and more I used it, it actually showed that for daily shaves and for no surprise shaves, this is actually a great option. Nice, easy rinsing. Almost no blade feel. And if I get lucky, no weepers as well. So for everything I would say this could be just enough, but since I still have some leather on, I will just clean up the neck a little bit, since I have chubby cheeks and very little jawline. I usually get some pronounced shadow when my beard starts growing, so I will just clean up a little bit. And with my soapy fingers it's still not slippery, so For all of you who are interested, I have Gillette Platinums, my least favorite blade in this razor. Which by chance are very well tamed with the Zomchi razor. So just a little bit of cleanup. And weirdly, I feel nothing under the nose, so this one is actually quite good at cleaning this portion. So there you have it, 7 minutes 20. No nicks, no irritations. I will add just a little bit of aftershave, so when you have such a nice daily shaves, who wouldn't choose to shave daily? No stinging, no burning, everything nice, clean, so in 8 minutes it's all that you need. Thank you for watching. I need to change my clothes and I will wait you in the next videos. Like, share, subscribe and leave the comment. See you next time. Bye.